temperature conversion. These are the 4 formulas you can use for temperature conversion. Here's the thing, the formulas are going to be given to you when you need them, so you don't have to have these memorized. You don't need to put them on your index card. They're going to be on the test when you need them. They're going to be available to you. They don't even get put on the formula sheets. We actually put them on the test for you. So it's not some big strife for you to stress over. But these are the formulas for you. You use the formulas very simply. If you're looking to change something to Celsius, you're going to use a formula that starts with Celsius. So it's one of those two. If you have the given in Fahrenheit, you're going to use the one with the F in it. If you have the given in Kelvin, then you're going to use the one with the K in it. It's that simple. So here we're looking for going from Fahrenheit to Celsius, so we're going to use this formula. So when I go to plug it in, I'm going to do it up here so I have a little more room left for myself. So I'll have the 45 that I put in place of my F. So I'd say 45 minus 32 divided by 1.8 is equal to my C, and I just plug that into my calculator, and I'm going to get 7.2 degrees Celsius. Just that simple. The next one says negative 15 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. The reason I wanted to make sure we got this one in is because you needed to know where on your calculator, handy dandy calculator, yes, this one, your negative key was. It is the one that is down here in the little parentheses. Ta-da! Oh, right here. The one that's down here in the little parentheses beside the enter, that's your negative key. Make sure you use this for negative. Do not use the minus sign. The minus is just for subtraction. Use this one for your negative key. So you'll press that and then the 15 to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So when I go to write it, I would write F equals 1.8 and then my parentheses negative 15 plus 32. Put parentheses around it so you can separate the negative apart. And you would end up getting F equals 5 degrees. For the next one, go from Kelvin to degrees Celsius. We want Celsius, so we're using this formula. So we have C equals 50 minus 273.15. That's just a minus sign. So that's going to give us Celsius equals negative 223.15 degrees. And then for this one, 10 degrees Celsius to Kelvin, I would have my 10 plus 273.15. So that's 283.15. No degrees because Kelvin doesn't have a degree symbol. Population density. Density describes compactness, or crowding. Population density is units of people per unit of area. An example might be people per mile squared or per kilometer squared. The country with the highest population density is Monaco, where approximately 38,000 people live in an area of 1.95 square kilometers. What is the population density of Monaco in people per square kilometer? Compare this density to that of the United States, which is approximately 35 per square kilometer. So when we have 38,000 people over 1.95 kilometers square, because that's what they told us, they want us to change this so that it's per square kilometer. They just want it to be 1 square kilometer down here. We can get that rather easily by just go ahead and simplifying this fraction. So I can put the 38,000 divided by the 1.95 in my handy dandy calculator. When I do that, I get 19487, some extra numbers, but roughly this, people per kilometer squared. We're going to round it off to the nearest person, basically. That's what it is in Monaco. In America, it said it had 35 people per kilometer squared. Merkel. They want us to compare the density. What do you think? This compared to that. Having that many people compared to this many people. Is it more dense or less dense? Would you rather have that many people in that area or this many people in that area? There are a lot of people in Monaco. Compared to the US. That's what I think. That's all they wanted me to do. It's not that difficult. Thus endeth section 2B. Feel free to go finish up all of the homework now for section 1E, 2A, and 2B. If you have problems on the homework, you need to let me know so that we can get it fixed. If you have problems with how to enter things into the calculator, you need to let me know so that we can get it fixed. We need to get it fixed before we move on. You don't need to be putting this aside. Don't need to think, oh, I can get it later. That's how you ended up in this class. This is later. This is now. This is when you get it fixed. Okay. Let me know. All right.